WordPress.com versus Wix in 2026. Which website builder should you choose? If you're planning to build a website in 2026, you've probably come across two popular options, WordPress.com and Wix. To find out which platform is actually better, I built similar websites on both and compared them based on real-world, use-not marketing claims. The first thing I noticed is that both platforms make it easy to get online quickly. Wix is incredibly beginner-friendly. Its drag-and-drop editor lets you visually design pages without any technical knowledge, making it one of the easiest website builders available today. WordPress.com takes a different approach. It focuses more on content, structure, and long-term growth. While there's a slightly bigger learning curve, it provides a much stronger foundation if you plan to grow your website over time. When it comes to blogging, WordPress.com is the clear winner. It offers better content organization, categories, tags, archives, scheduling tools, and publishing workflows. If you're serious about blogging or content marketing, WordPress.com gives you far more flexibility. For SEO, both platforms cover the basics, but WordPress.com offers greater long-term potential. Its content-focused structure, advanced optimization options, and broader ecosystem make it a stronger choice for users who want to grow organic traffic. Design is where Wix shines. If your goal is to build a visually appealing website quickly, Wix's drag-and-drop editor is hard to beat. However, WordPress.com provides greater flexibility as your site becomes larger and more complex. The same trend continues with monetization, e-commerce, and scalability. WordPress.com supports a wider range of revenue opportunities and grows more comfortably with your business. Whether you're planning an affiliate website, content platform, membership site, or online store, it provides more room to expand. So what's the final verdict? If you need a simple brochure website and want the easiest possible setup, Wix is an excellent choice. But if you're building a blog, business website, affiliate site, or online brand that you expect to grow over time, WordPress.com is the better long-term investment. It offers stronger blogging tools, better SEO potential, greater flexibility, and a more scalable foundation for future growth. Ready to build a website that can grow with your business? Click the link in the description and get started with WordPress.com today. Thanks for watching.